Good morning, students. Welcome to the computer class of 4th standard. Today, we will learn about the practicals of chapter 5, the Internet Web Browser. So, open your computer book at page number 57. The main objectives of the day are how to surf the internet and locate the different tourist places of Amritsar and make a Word document of it and apply formatting effects. So students, to surf the internet, first we have to open any web browser. Remember that we must have an internet connection to surf the internet. So now we will open Google Chrome web browser by clicking on Start button and click on Google Chrome. So Google Chrome window has opened on the screen. Now we will place the cursor in the search bar and type tourist places of Amritsar. And press enter key from the keyboard. After pressing enter key from the keyboard, Google Chrome web browser will display links for the different web pages. Now I am going to click on 11 top rated attractions and places to visit in Amritsar. Here we will find the 11 top rated attractions and places to visit in Amritsar. And the first one is Golden Temple. Now students, I want to insert this text and picture in my Word document because I have to make a Word document of it. Now we will press print screen key from the keyboard. Now we will open Microsoft Word by clicking on Start button and click on Word 2016. The Word window has opened on the screen. Now we will press the shortcut key Ctrl V key from the keyboard and you will notice that the page from the web browser is copied in the Word document. Similarly, click on Google Chrome icon from the taskbar, scroll it down and take the printout of the second tourist place of Amritsar, that is Wagah Border Ceremony. Again press print screen key from the keyboard. Then click on Word icon from the taskbar and press Ctrl V key from the keyboard. The second place is added to our Word document. In this way, we will add the different tourist places of Amritsar in our Word document. So students, I have added 6 tourist places of Amritsar in Word document by pressing print screen key on the web page and then pressing Ctrl V key in my Word document. Now we will do the formatting of these 6 images. Firstly, double click on the image and click on crop option. Crop option will remove the unwanted part of the image. Students, after clicking on crop option, dark black border will appear around the image. Now we can drag these borders up, down, left and right to remove the unwanted part of the image by holding down the left mouse button. And then click outside the image. And you will observe that the portion of the image which we have cropped has deleted. Now we can give a border to this image. For this, firstly your image should be selected and then click on this first option of picture border from picture styles. Click on the color of the border. Students, we can also increase the thickness of the border. For this, again click on picture border, click on weight and select any weight. Now the formatting of the first image has done. Now double click on the second image, click on crop option, remove the unwanted areas. And click outside the image. To apply border, select the image, click on picture border, select any color. Now we will increase the weight of the border. And the formatting of the second image has done. We can also increase or decrease the size of the image by dragging these 8 resize handles. When we will decrease the size of the image, the second image will automatically adjust it near the first image. Now similarly we will do the formatting of the image 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th. Students, see the formatting of the 6 images. Now I want to give a decorative title to this document. For this, click on Insert tab and click on Insert Word Art option. Now select any style. Word text box will appear on the screen. Now place the cursor inside it by clicking inside it and type tourist places of Amritsar. You can drag these resize handles to adjust the text. You can do the formatting of the text by making it underline, and you can change the color also according to your requirement. Students, if you want to change the color of the page, by default we are having the white color page, and if you want to change the color, then we will click on Design tab and click on Page Color option and select any color. So I am going to select light gray color. So students, in this way you can make a Word document and do the formatting of that document. After doing formatting, we will save our document for future use. For this, click on File tab, Save As, click on Browse and type the file name. Now I am going to type Tourist Places of Amritsar. You can specify the location also. For example, desktop, and click on Save button. So our document has saved with the name at the title bar, that is Tourist Places of Amritsar. So students, today we have learnt about surfing the internet on the topic Tourist Places of Amritsar by using Google Chrome web browser, making a Word document of it and formatting of that document. So do practice of internet practicals at home. Thank you and have a nice day.